What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, you're going to see us do a 3-inch Cognito lift on a 2020 GMC 2500. This one's getting 22 by 14 American Force Nemisis with the 355 4022 Nitto Trail Grappler. This is a really good tire combo. It sticks it out wide, but the tire's only 33 inches tall, somewhere around there, so it's really not that bad for fitment. We did have to do some trimming, but you'll see in the video it's not that bad. There's also a 2016-ish, one of those years, F250, belongs to a guy named Dylan. Came in and got some 44-inch super swamper boggers, and I feel like putting that in the video is important because that doesn't come through every day, and it just looks so good. They're not the best riding tires in the world, but hey, if you're not driving the truck every day, it might as well, be something you can look at and be happy with. So check out the video, let me know what you think, and if you have any questions about a price or anything like that, just give me a call. American Force Nemisis in the black and milled finish. We didn't do the rivets on the outer lip. We had those just smooth lip with logos. Tell me what you want to do. Do what you think. Trust me. Well, you're going to have one small addition right here from the plug thing. But I can run it up. Follow a line up like that. In and out in just a few hours. We have a 2.5-inch leveling kit on the front. Did a Cognito upper control arms with the Fox reservoir shocks. This one is the 355 4022 Nitto Trail Grappler with a 22 by 14 American Force. This is a Nemisis. Beautiful wheel, beautiful truck. He's gonna get the two-wheel drive front valence because the trimming involved cutting up to that point where the heater wire was. So the not two-wheel drive, but the gas burner model does not have that hole on it. So he's gonna replace it with that to fix the trimming issues. Overall though, the truck turned out amazing. Drove from the Carolina area, I think South Carolina. Truck was inspired by Dirty Max Jack's video. So we had trimmed the truck a little bit differently than we usually do it, but it's similar to the one in his video. It's kind of nice. Love to have a truck like this to daily drive. The AT4. It's your first day meet? Y'all catch hell out here now. I don't know the hell he is. It's wrong. Come on, John. This is a style that I hope comes back. Super Swamper boggers. First tire I ever had when I was 16 on a Jeep. They ride like a horse and buggy, but man, they look good. Just a tread that you can't really recreate. Many have tried, many have failed. Looks pretty good on this truck though. It's a 44 1950 24.
Shadow.